Hello friends, welcome to Learn Easy. We will discuss Flexible Manufacturing System, FMS. Let us see what a Flexible Manufacturing System FMS is. A Flexible Manufacturing System is a manufacturing concept that allows production to adapt as per changes in its requirements. The required changes could involve the amount of product being produced or a new product part that is needed. An FMS enhances efficiency and reduces production costs, and its automated nature reduces labor costs. The changes may be either predictable or unpredictable. However, it requires a significant initial investment as well as skilled technicians. Then, let us see how flexible manufacturing system works. A flexible manufacturing system could be machine flexible, material handling flexible, or operationally flexible. Flexible manufacturing systems typically consist of three main functions that allow the system to remain operational. Main functions of FMS. First, central control computer. Second, production machines. Third, material handling systems. These three functions work together to allow a smooth transition of information and functionality from one component to another. Working of flexible manufacturing system can be compared by the different functions of human body parts: the brain, muscles, and blood. One request: if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share, and press the notification bell. First, central control computer. The central control computer can be designated the brains of the operation. It controls the transition between producing different parts and changing the amount of production. Second, production machine. The production machines are the muscles of the operation. These highly automated machines can change tasks rapidly when needed. Again, the production machines connect to the material handling system to receive the required materials to produce a specific part. Third, material handling systems. The material handling systems are similar to the nutrients in the blood sent to the muscles to keep them moving and functioning properly. The part of the system is critical in getting the right materials to the right places. Let us discuss a schematic guide how to implement a flexible manufacturing system. Implementing a flexible manufacturing system occurs in three phases. Phase 1, assessing manufacturing needs and goals, which includes first, current state analysis. Current state analysis is done in respect to production volume requirements, product mix flexibility needs, quality metrics and targets, and resource utilization patterns. Second, future state definition. It means what we expect in future for growth projections, market demand forecasts, technology roadmap alignment, and capacity requirements. Phase 2, designing the FMS layout. Design methodology is focused on first, process flow optimization in respect to material movement minimization, work in progress optimization, quality checkpoint integration, and maintenance access planning. Second, space utilization for equipment positioning for maximum efficiency, buffer zone optimization, future expansion accommodation, utility access planning. One request: if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share, and press the notification bell. Phase 3, selecting and integrating components. First, equipment selection in respect to performance requirements, integration capabilities, maintenance requirements, and future upgrade potential. Second, system integration for communication protocols, control system architecture, data collection capabilities, and quality monitoring systems. Let us discuss the key advantages that FMS delivers. Advantages of FMS. First, increased productivity and efficiency. Second, reduced setup times and changeover costs. Third, improved quality control. Fourth, enhanced production flexibility. Fifth, reduced labor costs. Sixth, optimized inventory management. And seventh, improvement in inventory turnover. However, there are many challenges and disadvantages of a flexible manufacturing system. So, we have to understand and prepare for potential obstacles. Disadvantages of FMS. First, high initial investment costs. Second, implementation complexity. Third, system downtime. Fourth, skilled workforce requirement. Let us see where flexible manufacturing systems have been using successfully. Flexible manufacturing system FMS are used in a wide range of industries which include: first, automotive industry. FMS are commonly used in automotive industry to produce a wide range of parts and components, including engine blocks, transmissions, and dashboards. Automotive FMSs are designed to be highly flexible, allowing manufacturers to quickly reprogram the machines to produce different parts as needed. Second, aerospace industry. Aerospace manufacturers use FMS to produce a wide range of parts and components, including aircraft engines, landing gear, and avionics systems. Aerospace FMSs are typically highly automated, with computer-controlled machines that are capable of producing complex parts and components with a high degree of precision. Third, electronics industry. Electronics manufacturers use FMS to produce a wide range of products, including circuit boards, computer components, and consumer electronics. Electronics FMS typically consist of series of computer-controlled machines that are linked together by a central control system. Fourth, medical device industry. FMS are used to produce surgical instruments, implantable devices, diagnostic equipment, and other medical products. Fifth, food and beverage industry. A wide range of products, including packaged food and beverages, are produced with FMS. In general, FMS are used in industries where there is a need for high level of flexibility, efficiency, and adaptability in manufacturing processes. Let us conclude. A flexible manufacturing system offers numerous advantages in adapting to dynamic market conditions, optimizing production processes, and meeting customer demands efficiently. With its focus on flexibility and integration with advanced technologies, FMS enables manufacturers to stay competitive and achieve operational excellence in today's ever-evolving industrial landscape. The ability to quickly reprogram machines and adapt to changing production needs is a key advantage of flexible manufacturing systems, making them ideal for industries where demand for products can be highly variable. That's all. Thank you so much for watching the video.